Xiaomi has officially launched the Xiaomi Pad 7 Nano Texture Display Edition in India. It is available for purchase. The tablet features premium specification and design, making it a very strong contender in the mid-end tablet market. It's priced at 32,999 rupees for the 12 to 56 storage variant. You get additional 1,000 rupees off with bank offers. The tablet is available in Xiaomi's official website, retail store, and Amazon India. The colors are graphite grey, sage green, and mirage purple. It has 11.2-inch CrystalRes display, 3.2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and 800 nits of peak brightness. It comes with Qualcomm 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It has 8850 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. It has 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixels front camera. It has quad speaker setup. It's very slim at 6.18 millimeters and it's IP52 water and dust resistant. It brings top-notch display, powerful performance, and solid battery life, all in an ultra-slim form factor. It's available for those who are looking for a premium tablet experience for a good price.